In this example, I'm going to show you how to edit multiple records in a table using an Adotable. Okay, so the field that I want to edit is the replacement value, and I want to increase the replacement value only if, let's say, the genre is equals to pop. Okay, so I need to start with the first record, test it. If it's pop, increase the replacement value by 10, else just go to the next one, test is the genre equals to pop. If it's not, next until you reach one that is pop, and then we're gonna increase the replacement value by 10, and then we're gonna post it to the Adotable. Okay, so the first thing we need to do is going to go to the first record of the Adotable. Then we need a while loop to run through this whole Adotable. So while not Adotable one dot end of file. Okay, while it's not at the end of the file, we need to continue testing to check whether the genre is pop. So it's going to be if the field that we want to test is genre. Okay, so if it's equals to pop, then I need to put the Adotable in edit mode. So Adotable one dot edit. Then I need to change the value of my replacement value. So let's just go check what is the correct field name replacement value. Okay, so replacement value is equals to the current replacement value plus, let's say, 10. Let's just add 10 to the current replacement value if the genre is pop. Okay, so if you want to save it or write it to the database, we need to say Adotable one dot post. Okay, Adotable one dot post, and then we still need to go to the next record. Okay, Adotable one dot next. Okay, so put it at the first record. We're going to continue with this code until it reaches the end of the file. We're going to test if that genre is equals to pop. Then we put it in edit mode. We add the 10 to the current replacement value. We post it. When we're done with that, we go to the next record. Okay, so if it's not pop, let's say it's rock, it will immediately go down here and go to the next record. Okay, so let's just run, check what it says there. Okay, so I'm not gonna run it now because I don't want to change my information in my database. Another thing that you can change in your program, you can maybe ask the user for the type of genre he wants to increase. So a combo box or something, the user can then select that he wants to change the rock music, not just pop, and you can maybe have a spin edit or edit box where the user can specify the amount he wants to change it with. So let's say there's a spin edit and he chooses 20, you can actually add it over here. So then you can say plus spin edit 1 dot value. Okay, so you don't need to have that 10 or hard code it in there. You can actually get that info from the user on the GUI. Maybe a spin edit. This is going to be a number field, so you can just add the two together. That should be fine. But if it's an edit box, you will need to convert it, or maybe put it in a variable first and then use that variable as an integer to add it together. Over here, a combo box or text or something, or you can put the combo box or text first in a variable like S genre, and then you can use the S genre in your if statement here at the top as well. But I'm going to change mine back to the 10. It's over there. Okay, so first run through the whole program, test the genre, put it in edit mode, change the value, post. If you're done with it, you still need to go to the next record.